Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I hope you guys are enjoying your summer. I am actually in a different location. At the moment, I'm visiting my mom and we're at their house. So our partner Derek has lent me his tripod. We're doing some Happy Mail unboxing. My longtime pen pal Sandra, who I call my twin pal, had sent me some Happy Mail. We figured we'd do a little exchange while I'm here in Canada. As you guys know, the postage has gone up due to the tariffs, and I thought we would bring some items and do a summer swap. So let's get right to it. First off, I wanted to show you that adorable sticker that she has there. Now, we said we would be trading a flip book, some stickers, and some other fun items. Let me take it out of the box. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. So by tradition, we also always give each other a little sweet treat. And she knows that I, don't have access to Aero. The ones we have are the regular ones. This is the truffle flavored one with the mousse. So thank you so much, Sandra. I love it. And then she is also gifted, it looks like some items in here. So some of them would be washi, a keychain, and I love this Sanrio little Ziploc. Let's open this up. Here is our washi tape, and I love that. That's super cute in the summer theme. They look like little popsicle sticks. Or are they animals or birds? Sorry, I can't see very well because I am in a weird position here, but that is so adorable. We have a cute little acrylic keychain. That is adorable. It's a bunny. And what else did she include here? Let me just put that. It looks like Mystery Toby Pack. This is super cute. It looks like a stationery set. So I'll show you what that looks like here. I love the color palette, like the bunnies. And then she has gifted me some Pochoco sticky notes, which I love. He's one of my favorite characters. And my daughters actually love Sour Patch Kids. And this is the strawberry. So thank you very much for that. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, Sandra, you have included a lot of things. Oh my gosh, is this Bruno? This is from the series Miffy, and my oldest daughter, Lil, has grown up watching the show and reading the books. And this looks like a little patch, so that's going to be fun to put on a bag. Thank you very much. And then right here, we have a diamond painting charm, and I love Care Bears. I can't wait to see her unboxing of the Happy Mail I sent her. I sent her something in the Care Bear theme, but I won't say what it is. And this is amazing. I can't wait. I love diamond painting. I'm addicted to it. So thank you very much. And there's one more. Oh my gosh, it's Snoopy. And this is a puffy sticker. He has his headset on and his rollerblades, probably listening to a summer tune. That is amazing. Let me push these guys to the side because I see her flip book. It might be, I'm not sure, but let's open it up. So here it is, guys. Oh my gosh, it says Hello Kitty and Friends. And we have the stickers and we have our flip book. There is a little pocket here. I love this. You're the best friend a girl could have. That is so cute. I love this sticker collage that she's included. And you have to see her stickered books. She does flip throughs on her Instagram, and I will link it down below. This is actually the front of this folder, this flipbook folder. It says Clarissa's flipbook folder. How awesome. And I love that retro feel to the pen pal style. Here, let's open it up. Oh my gosh, and here's the letter. Look at how custom made this is. Oh, that is so sweet. So I'm going to be reading this later on the side. There's a scratch and sniff stickered strawberry. Look at that panda with the, what do you call it? The mushrooms. Super adorable. So I'm going to read this privately. But here are the pockets, and she has filled this up. Oh my gosh, Sandra, I love the unicorn. And there's Hello Kitty. Love it. Love all the textures here. You have packed this up. Oh my gosh, there's so many stickers. Let me show you the stickers. And this looks like a Studio Ghibli. Oh, we got Totoro. That's so cute. And then we have our Hello Kitty friends. I'm gonna have to ask her where she got these cute stickers. And our Scratch and Sniff stickers. We did a swap a few years back, and these are amazing. I will put the name of the shop where she usually gets them. And again, I love the retro. If you look at that watch, that is so cute. It reminds me of the Swatch watches that we used to have in the 80s and 90s. And then we have some ice cream, a little banana split there, some roller blades. Thank you so much, Sandra. I love the melon power. Oh, lemon. And then, wow, look at this unicorn. Super cute. We have ice cream, a gumball machine. Oh my gosh, and there is more. Let's check out the next pocket. We have the iconic cat bus. This is from the Studio Ghibli also series or movie, sorry. And then there's Totoro. Oh, I love that. And we have strawberry shortcake. Oh my gosh. Another one. That's a really big sticker. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. Thank you. Oh, that's so cute. More Scratch and Sniff stickers with strawberry shortcake, and she has her little kitty cat. And again, we have our stationaries, and this definitely brings me back to the 80s when my sister and I loved to do trades with our classmates with scented stationery and pens and stickers. This is so cute. Thank you so much. And then let's see what's here. Oh my gosh, we have Sanrio characters. Look at these. Oh, that's so cute. And this is a cute little bunny. We got our stationery with our Hello Kitty characters. Super nice. Sorry, there's some outside noise. Hopefully you don't mind that. Again, it looks like it is the day when they do their little yard work. Wow, and then look at this. Very nice. And then we have this one. Is this a postcard? Oh my gosh. Hello Kitty and friends. And how cute is that? Having maybe a cup of tea and some pastries. I love it. And here's another one. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. And look at this. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I love it. This is all matcha themed. That is amazing. And then we have more Hello Kitty. So my daughter Emmy also started a sticker book journal. I had shown her Sandra's layouts and she's been inspired by it. So I'm going to share some of these stickers as well with her, and I'm going to do the same. I have yet to fill out my sticker book. I haven't quite, but now I do. Thanks to Sandra. Thank you for these really unique stickers that you've shared with me. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, how funny. This is the Canadian theme. This is so cool. We have all the fun, iconic characters and animals that represent Canada. So that is super cool. And look at this cute girl. And Cow Pals. Oh, that's so cute. It says here, handmade with love for Clarissa. My gosh, Sandra, you have spoiled me once again with this amazing swap. It was so much fun. I'm so happy that we got to squeeze it in this summer. Thank you for the chocolate. And I'm going to start doing that diamond painting project. Here is that. I'll put this right here. All right, before I forget, there is one more item in here. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, it's a plushie. And here it is. It's a squishable. How cute. His name is Brunswick, and he's a little blueberry guy. That is so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing, and I hope you're enjoying your summer vacation wherever you are or break. And I will see you soon when I get back to California. Bye.